So this is a new project and I'm going to edit the XML file. So remove the text and add button, wrap content, and we need text is show alert, and we need ID for this button show alert, right? So to remove this error we need minimum 2 constraint, as we are using constraint layout. So now it's okay. There is no error in XML file. Now we need to here we need to get this button. So bar button equal to find view by ID button data type r.id.button show alert. So this is actually our button object, right? Button dot set on click listener, right? So we can use val here. After clicking this button, this action will trigger, right? So now to make an alert dialog, val dia alert dialog equal to alert dialog dot builder, and using this parenthesis we need to pass context. So just pass this and plus apply. So why we are using apply? To avoid multiple use of this dialog variable, so we can use apply directly. So set title, this is so title we can use alert or something, whatever you want. Set message, so are you sure? So sometimes you need to delete something from your databases, or any alert like removing data. So you may use that message like are you sure want to delete this item or not. So set message, set cancelable false. So you can destroy this alert dialog by clicking outside of this alert dialog. So you must have to click yes or no. Set cancelable false, and set positive button, and the text will be yes or something you want. Yes, and here dialog and ID, right? Here are two parameters, dialog and ID. So first of all you need to dismiss this dialog. When user click on yes button, you must have to dismiss this alert dialog and to do whatever you want your code here. So and another is set negative button no. Same process. So dialog and ID is here. Just dialog dot dismiss. We don't need any other task here. So, if you need to any other task when user click on no, you also add some code here. So that's it. So now what we need to do, we need to dialog dot show, because this is just an object, so you need to show this to user. So before this we need create. So this create function will create this object dialog dot show. Sometimes in some cases dialog.show will crash, so that's why try dialog.show is here and cache. if on exception print address. So our code is done, and now I'm going to run this code. So this is actually our main code. So run. So show alert. So I'm going to click on this button, and here is our alert dialog. So if you press no, this will gone, and if you press yes, this will also gone, because we in both situation we added dismiss. And when user click on yes, you can place any other code here. Thank you.